In the foreign exchange market, understanding lot sizes is critical to managing your risk. Let's break down what they actually represent. A lot size is simply the volume or quantity of base currency units you are buying or selling in a single trade. A standard lot is the industry benchmark, representing 100,000 units of the currency you are trading. Brokers offer smaller divisions like mini, micro, and nano lots to allow traders to participate with smaller account balances. While lot sizes are fixed units, your actual position size is the total value of your trade, which dictates your risk exposure. This chart shows how much larger each tier is compared to the smallest nano lot, illustrating the flexibility available to modern traders. Always remember that choosing a lot size should be based on your risk tolerance, not just the potential for a quick gain. Thanks for watching. Understanding these basics is the first step in your trading journey. Please subscribe for more finance fundamentals.